Hi, I'm James Goodman with the Goodman Taylor team.
And I'm Katie Taylor. And today we have our first edition of This or That Real Estate Edition. Our first topic is interior options.
Yeah.
The way we're going to do this is we're going to introduce the topic, which is interior options right now. And then I have a series of this or that questions, and James and I are going to put our answers up to show you, and then we can see if we agree, see if we disagree. And then I'd love to hear what you guys have to say as well about your this or that.
Yeah.
All right.
Awesome.
So the first one is, James, carpet or tile?
Tile.
So I have tile also. I mean, in Arizona, it's so dusty here that I think that tile makes it a little bit easier to clean. Plus, I know I have dogs.
We both have dogs.
Yeah.
So dogs, little kids.
Oh, yeah. Carpet's
yeah. Like I do know that
I
it
like
is kind
carpet
of
in
nice.
bedrooms, but
Carpet in bedrooms, yeah. Like sometimes, not that it gets that cold here, but sometimes in the winter you don't want to like wake up and you're immediately stepping on a cold floor. So maybe a rug here or there is nice.
Well, I love rugs. Plus, you
yeah.
can throw them away when they get dirty or gross or whatever.
You're in the desert. I don't know. All the dust and the pet hair and the pets.
It is cooler too,
Tile.
right? I know, like
Definitely.
in the summer, my dog splays out on the tile instead of sleeping on the carpet.
Yeah, so definitely tile for us too.
Okay.
Awesome.
All right. So super controversial.
Oof. Yeah.
White cabinets or dark cabinets?
Ready?
Yeah. So I could go either way on this. I really like the look of dark cabinets.
Yeah.
I currently have white cabinets and I love them. And so I think I just erred on the side of bright and open.
Yeah. I like natural wood. I don't really like painted cabinets that much.
Oh, natural wood, huh?
Yeah, I'm old school. I like some nice
Old man energy.
Nice cherry cabinets. Yeah, some nice wood cabinets. Yes. I like that. So
all right,
I think they're always in style though.
They
like
are.
The painted
They're
cabinets,
classic,
I don't know.
I know.
Yeah. All right, cool.
All right. So quartz or granite?
All right, ready?
Yeah. Okay, so I like granite also.
Yeah.
However, if you're going to be selling your house, people are scared to death of granite now. I think we have too many memories of that black granite with the brown specks in it. It's like PTSD for granite.
Yeah.
So if you're going to be selling, let's talk about quartz.
Yeah, I like granite once again because I like more of the natural look and so I like they're getting better with some of the quartz stuff, but I like the natural movement of the quartz. I like the imperfections. I like how it looks. Yeah, I'm sorry, the granite. I like how it looks different. Yeah, so definitely granite for me for sure.
Yeah, some of the quartz is it's looking really nice. You know, honestly, if I could choose, I would do quartzite because you have the strength and the natural stone, but you have the look of the quartz.
Yeah, definitely.
All right. So you're building your house.
Yeah.
You've got a pantry option. Are you going to do a butler's pantry or a great big walk-in pantry?
Walk-in.
Yeah, I chose walk-in too. I'm going to be able to close the door on that mess.
That was 100% my thinking. Like, it's not a good scene.
Like
where we have all our stuff.
Right?
Yeah, so I need all that. I need that to be behind a closed door for sure.
I would love to have a Pinterest pantry, and that's just not my lifestyle right now.
Yeah. You know, I think I would like to have that, but then I think about
you'd have to put everything away.
Yeah, I don't want to live that lifestyle. Like, I think it's great for other people that have that. I'm not about that lifestyle. No, we're just kind of dumping stuff in there, and it's a little bit of a mess. So
mine is pretty organized, but
that doesn't surprise me.
but I still like to close the door.
Yeah, for sure.
All right, so kitchen island or peninsula?
I'm glad I didn't have to say peninsula.
Peninsula.
Good job. All right.
I said an island.
Island.
Yeah. I like being able to walk around it. It's just more versatile, I think.
Yeah, we eat most of our meals at our island.
Oh, do you?
We've got a huge kitchen island, and so most of our meals are actually up there. You can fit, I think we've put up to 6 chairs up there. We typically have 4.
Yeah.
And so,
James, I've never been to your house.
Well, that's on purpose. Yeah, no. So, yeah, but we have most of our meals up there. And now, little Olivia, we chase around the island. So I've got like hundreds of miles now. I think if you add it up, I should add it up. So,
can you imagine having a peninsula and not being able to do that?
No, the dead end. It would be horrible. So we run around the island a lot. So the island's, it's good for us.
Good. Yeah, I like an island too. My island doesn't have anything in it, which I love. Like, it's a great big island, but there's no stove in it and there's no sink in it.
Ours has the sink, yeah.
So I had
you do. You just have a nice big flat space there.
Which is awesome. But I had a client who specifically wanted an island with no sink in it and no stove in it.
Yeah.
It was really hard to find something like that.
They are.
I had
you don't
no
see
idea.
them often. Yeah.
All right, so would you rather have a built-in desk or a coffee bar in the kitchen?
Coffee bar.
So I don't drink coffee regularly.
You know I do.
I know.
I'm yes.
But I like having a desk. And I know, like, it's super dated.
It is.
I know.
You can have the old phone in there with the
I do have a phone jack.
book. You have a phone jack? There you go. Yeah.
It is dated, but I've gotten used to having it. So I think I would feel weird not having it.
No, we have like a little area just where we got our coffee.
Yeah.
But man, I love those ones when they've got like the really cool coffee bar
it's
with
very
like
cool, the pod station and everything.
Yeah, they've got like their Keurig and then
you could get an espresso machine.
That's what I would love. So that looks really cool. So I would love to have that. So for sure a coffee bar for me.
All right. So upstairs laundry or downstairs?
Oh, upstairs. We're upstairs right now, our bedroom, and the laundry room's downstairs, and so man, that's
I get the convenience of it.
Yeah.
And part of why I hate having stairs.
Yeah.
And I don't have stairs now, but part of why I hated growing up with stairs was lugging laundry up and down.
Laundry up and down, I tell you.
But I've had people get leaks in their upstairs laundry rooms.
So that's what I'm saying. Like, you just don't want that leak. I've heard that too. So we don't have to worry about that because ours is downstairs. I prefer it upstairs. But man, I know the people, that if that leaks,
it's a lot bigger mess than a downstairs one.
Yeah, ours you just kind of mop it up, right?
Right.
It's not that big of a deal right now. Yeah, for sure.
Shoot, growing up, ours was outside and downstairs, so it didn't really matter at all.
Yeah, we had there for a while. We had ours when I was growing up out in the garage.
Yeah, that's where.
Whew, that gets hot.
Yeah, but I didn't know any different. Like only rich people had inside laundry rooms.
Awesome. All right, last one, right?
Last one. So would you rather have a freestanding bathtub, like one of those clawfoot tubs, or a gigantic indoor shower?
Giant shower, for sure.
Absolutely, hands down.
Yeah, I will say, like, I see some of these new cool, not necessarily the clawfoot. I mean, that's cool if that's your style. I've seen some of these neat, real sleek looking,
like the round or the oval
they look
ones.
Cool, but no, that's
it's
not for me.
just not functional for me.
I want a giant shower.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
I have clients right now who are selling their house and they have a giant shower where their old garden tub was, and they have shower heads on both sides, and then they have the wands on both sides, and it is so cool.
Yeah, I love those. All right, we'd love to hear from what you guys think. So please chime in, leave some comments, let us know on the this or that, what you guys would like. Also, if there's any other this or that recommendations you have for us, send those over too.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you so much for playing along.
See you next time.